26 consecutive games with a home run.
Gone! See ya!
First place in the AL East by 4.5 games.
Ball game over. Yankees win.
6-1 on this homestand and looking to improve that winning percentage against the Toronto Blue Jays.
Judge has a chance. Tag is down. Plenty of time, and they cut him down at second.
Gary Sanchez dubbed Yankees utility infielder DJ LeMahieu the Machine. Why? Well, when runners are in scoring position, the Machine doesn't miss. In 2019, LeMahieu is batting .478 with runners in scoring position, the highest average in the majors. The LSU product has also collected 30 multi-hit games, second most in the AL. LeMahieu enters the series riding a 9-game hitting streak. This will be the final home series before the All-Star break, and the Yankees will look to put on a show for the Bronx faithful.